Welcome to the Solvable Tax Software Review Usage Experience. Links to the product are included in the description below. Solvable is a unique tax solution that focuses on helping individuals and small businesses resolve tax debt efficiently and effectively. Unlike traditional tax preparation software, Solvable specializes in connecting users with professional services tailored to address outstanding tax issues, making it an ideal choice for anyone dealing with IRS debt or looking for expert assistance. Solvable's platform is straightforward and designed with simplicity in mind. It starts with a free online assessment that helps users identify their specific tax issues and provides a clear picture of potential solutions. Whether you're facing unpaid taxes, back taxes, or tax penalties, Solvable connects you with top-rated tax relief professionals who specialize in negotiating settlements, reducing penalties, and setting up manageable payment plans with the IRS. One of Solvable's key features is its extensive network of vetted tax professionals. These experts include tax attorneys, enrolled agents, and CPAs who have a proven track record of resolving tax debt issues. The platform ensures that users are paired with reputable services that are transparent about fees and provide personalized strategies for resolving tax problems. For those looking for self-help resources, Solvable offers a robust library of guides, articles, and tools to educate users on topics like IRS tax forgiveness programs, offers and compromise, and installment agreements. This empowers users to make informed decisions about their tax situation, whether they choose to work with a professional or manage some steps independently. Solvable is best suited for individuals and small businesses struggling with tax debt who need expert assistance to navigate the complexities of IRS negotiations. It's not a traditional tax preparation software, but rather a comprehensive platform to help users get back on track financially. The pricing depends on the service provider you choose, but Solvable ensures transparency and offers options tailored to your budget and needs. In summary, Solvable stands out as a dedicated solution for tax debt resolution. Its user-friendly platform, access to trusted professionals, and educational resources make it a reliable choice for anyone seeking relief from tax-related stress. Check the links in the description to explore how Solvable can help you address your tax challenges with confidence.